We have a 1954 Royal Quiet Deluxe Manual Portable Typewriter. It comes in a hard shell case, and it opens up at the bottom. It's gray cast iron with green keys. It does work right now, but it will need a tune-up and a new ribbon. But I just want to show you real quick that the keys work. And it has a push button top so you can access the inside real easily and change the touch control option if you want. And that adjusts the key sensitivity, how hard you press the keys. And that there changes the color of the ink. So now it's red. And it works like that. So like I said, it will need a tune-up, but it does function for now. To release it from the case, you have to press the 4 tabs, 2 on each side of the typewriter, and then you can lift it up out of the case. That's the undercarriage part. And there you have it. Thank you.